Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Today we are continuing with a verb a day series and we are going to the 11th verb, which is stand. So let's start. To stand in Malayalam is nilkuga, nilkuga, or you can say nikkuga. I have used examples using nikkuga, so you'll understand that. The other word I'm using here is aval, which is she, which you already know. Now we are kind of getting very thorough with all these words. So let's see the first sentence. Aval nilkugayanu. Aval nilkunnu. She is standing. Aval nilkugayanu. Aval nilkunnu. She is standing. Aval ninnu. Aval ninnu. She stood. She stood. Aval ninnu. Aval nilkum. She will stand. Aval nilkum. She will stand. അവൾ നിന്നിരുന്നു അവൾ നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു she had stood അവൾ നിന്നിരുന്നു അവൾ നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അവൾ നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് she has stood അവൾ നിൽക്കുമായിരിക്കും she may probably stand അവൾ നിന്നിരിക്കും she will definitely stand അവൾ നിൽക്കട്ടെ let her stand അവൾ നിൽക്കട്ടെ അവൾ നിൽക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ് she is going to stand അവൾ നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാകും she might have stood അവൾ നിൽക്കണോ should she stand അവൾ നിൽക്കണോ in some contexts you might hear the same word nikkano for if someone should wait because aval nikkano may also mean should she wait so nikkano is used in that context also aval nikkano should she stand aval nikkilla she will not stand aval nikkilla she will not stand which you can also use aval nilkilla so nil and nikilla so both is correct aval nikilla or aval nilkilla she will not stand aval ninnalo what if she stand aval nilkugayayirunnu which also can be aval nikkugayayirunnu she was standing ninnal madi which means standing will do or standing will be enough ninnal madi those were the 15 sentences using the verb stand which is nilkuga in Malayalam. I hope you understood this and you enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts, use that comment section below to comment about it and please like this video and share. And if you have not still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.